Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is European Defence Agency delivers first EU-wide FPV first-person view drone pilot training in Latvia to advance military UAS strike and interception skills. The European Defence Agency has delivered the first EU-wide course on advanced unmanned aerial systems strike and interception operations. First-person view drone pilots from 14 EU member states trained together from the 31st of May to the 5th of June in Latvia. The course was organized by the European Defence Agency and the Latvian Armed Forces. EDA said the activity marked a major step towards a European military drone training program. The training took place at the Salonia military area in Latvia. It focused on advanced scenarios designed to help participants prepare for realistic battlefield conditions. Countries recognize that drone piloting and operations should be a core military skill, similar to firearm training, and included in basic military instruction, said João Catano, EDA's project officer UAS programs. It is essential that UAS operators from EU member states train together on common tactics, techniques and procedures. Salonia is the largest military training ground in the Baltics. EDA said trainees operated under field conditions that simulated realistic operational environments. Participants carried out exercises against static and moving targets. These included engagements in trenches and forests, as well as operations against mechanized manned and unmanned platforms, including unmanned ground vehicles. The training also covered the interception of fixed-wing drones that mimic Russian one-way attack drones. Participants carried out long-range operations over distances of several dozen kilometers, night operations and the use of thermal imaging systems. In this training area, we can conduct a wide range of exercises that are almost impossible in some other EU countries due to high population density and busy airspace, said Major Modris Kairis, head of Latvian Autonomous Systems Competence Center. Latvia offers a unique opportunity to develop and expand this kind of test range. This is also why we have a lot of UAV producers in the country whose equipment can be used, Kairis said. The exercises were designed by instructors from the Latvian Autonomous Systems Competence Center to encourage joint missions and cooperation among trainees. Training with operators from other EU countries is very important, said a trainee from the Irish Armed Forces. We share different experiences and build further cooperation. It's also important to train in field conditions to properly learn how to operate the equipment, the Irish trainee said. EDA said the course reflected the growing importance of drone operators in modern military training. In parallel with the course, Latvia hosted EDA's UAS Operational Users Symposium and Working Group. The event brought together more than 40 military experts, industry representatives and partner nations. The discussions focused on the design of a new EDA project to deliver advanced UAS training courses across Europe. EDA said the project should build on experience from Ukraine and expand the initial one-time course into a long-term European program and network for military drone operations. The European Defence Agency developed a military helicopter training that became the Multinational Helicopter Training Centre in Portugal. That is our model, said Catano. For UAS, we also start with a joint and combined training, bringing together national expertise. Our objective is to build a network of training centers, a fully-fledged training program, and integrate with existing exercises such as the Titan Sky, Catano said. EDA said the Latvia training marked a significant step towards stronger European defense cooperation and a shared operational capability in unmanned systems. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.